Hi everybody, this is Lance from ThetaTraders.com. This video I wanted to go over the different plans that we have at ThetaTraders.com. I do a lot of different strategies. If you're currently a member, you might only be seeing some of them. So I just wanted to go over what each membership entails. And if you are interested, send me a message. If you're currently in any of the ThetaTraders.com groups, could do a Black Friday sale. It'll be more of a individualized, personalized, pretty much choose your own adventure type thing. So we'll give you a discount on it. So just send me or Russell a message. All right. So if you go on thetatraders.com, you're going to see the different plans that we offer. First one we'll talk about is safeguard trades. $11.97 one-time payment, but we're going to be giving that for Black Friday. Just send me a message. You leave a comment down below or send me a message on Discord, and you'll see you get a one-on-one Zoom session. Features strangles. We do monthly Zoom calls. Get the full strategy guide of everything I do, and you look at the Discord. You'll get access to this channel where I put strangles 111, 112s, and so on. So you'll see the messages here, and we go over the trade where I enter, where I look to close, where I look to stop out of the trade. This is from a strangle that I did on Friday. Also have the ES1122s or safeguard trades. So here I say where I got filled at. This part's a put debit spread, gives some protection for downtime events. These are a put credit spread, so you could get more credit than the initial debit and possibly some more upside on the trade than your initial credit on it. Again, I put where I stop out, did a video on the trade as well. So you can do those every Friday, once a week. And you also get access to the covered strangle. If you look in the threads here, this covered strangle right here. Here's where we sell naked puts on MES. You also get access to individual stock ones. So right here, we're doing covered strangles on BITO, SCHD, more conservative, SLV, more conservative, Hood, Iron, those are a little bit more aggressive to try to get bigger returns. And that's a safeguard trade, or safeguard plan. Get lifetime access, one payment. Consistent passive profits is very similar to what I just said. You get the covered strangles I just talked about. You get I have a separate channel for that one. So, consistent passive profits, you get the covered strangle that I just talked about. You get a weekly naked put trade that I do where it's very straightforward. You enter the trade, let it expire worthless. You also get all the strategy guides, one-on-one Zoom call, and monthly Zoom meetings as well. Next one is the quarterly plan. This is for stock-based trades. $197 for every 3 months. Send me a message. We could give you a discount on that if you'd like. Every day I do a put credit spread. I do a 0 DTE that's going very well recently. For 0 DTE, let's see. So 0 DTE right now this year, we're at, in daily trade here. Starting with $1,000, you're at 1313, so 31% return on that for the year on the 0 DTE. The longer dated ones are credit spread trades. We're doing well as well. Looking for anywhere between, right here in this column, anywhere between around $40 to $70 or so per $500 you need. So it's small account friendly. And then we buy to close them usually at a good, at least 50% profit target. So that's the quarterly. That's the consistent passive profits. And then safeguard trades. There's another one that's not on the website yet. We'll add it in soon. This is the Theta Pro channel. On Theta Pro, we do this indicator. So let's see. I'll just type in a random stock here. You can look at different time frames. 3 minute, 5 minute if you want to scalp. A little bit longer dated for swing trades. Or you could even go really long dated for longer trades. And then I'll show an indicator if you sell a call or sell a put on it. You do this with any ticker symbol, futures, stocks, Forex, and it gives you very straightforward indicators on what side or what direction we want to go on it. You'll also get access to 3 to 5 trades a week on different credit spreads that I'm using. Recently for Carvana, we got 5% return on a credit spread here. Coin got 6% in a week. Microsoft 4.8%. And then also on the Theta Pro channel, you'll see a lot of comments from other people. I write pretty frequently on here. We have a lot of members sharing ideas on how to scalp, how to do longer dated trades and whatnot. So if you're interested in any of these services, send me a message. I'll leave a comment down below on YouTube, or you can talk to me at Russell. If you have any questions again, let me know, and have a good one, guys.